way down. That's your first entrance. And you should have another entrance like right here. Like it's actually technically it's like right there. Because that goes into the
No, where did y'all go to get there? I don't think you guys can make it. It's really wrong. Well, fuck, I might as well give it a shot.